So this is the finished result. Here's the finished result. This is my full face of makeup. I have not done a full face of makeup in like months. It's so crazy, but this is the end result. These are my eyebrows. This is the shape I usually go for. I made them a little bit thicker today because I have a love-hate relationship with thin and thick eyebrows. So this is the same shape and, you know, the same technique I use every single time since like the past week and a half maybe. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, do hit the notification bell because I will be posting randomly. I don't have set days yet, but bye guys.